Thank you sa aking pinsan na nagpintura nito. Libre lang po. Hello 13, shout out. How are you? Papang, parang ako cellphone ni. Baka na ang comment ba ka ba nag-shut up na po niya akong ano? Wala akong makita ang comment, baka i-comment or wala, hindi ko alam. Hindi din ako mag-assume, but kailangan ko matinan sa ibang cellphone. Kasi minsan mag-freeze ang aking chat box. Pretty little baby. Thank you, Pang. 14. Hello, guys. Shouty, shouty. Sana dadami pa kayo. Tulad ng isang last night. Last night, I have 200 viewers, guys. I'm so happy. Happy. Above the, ang happiness. Totoo nga. Wala talagang Ay, naku po. Little, little baby. Thirteen, shout out, guys. Guys, can you double tap the screen, please? Just double tap the screen. Kasi please like na lang guys sa aking live. Like na lang. Kahit hindi na kayo mag-comment, it's okay. Basta andyan lang kayo. Wag umalis. Comment, like na lang. 15. Shouty, shouty. 15 viewers. 15. Ay, thank you sa 2 likes. Hello po. Maraming salamat sa nag-like. Hi, 16. Shout out. Dumami. 16. Can you like the live, guys, please? Please. 16 viewers. Shout out. Hi, 20 viewers. Hello po. Let's love. Hello po. Okay lang yan. Kahit hindi kayo mag-comment, basta mag-like lang kayo. At don't skip my ads, guys. If you encounter my advertisement or ads on my live before you enter the live, just don't skip. And just let's uh, anuhin ba yung ads ko ba? Tapusin. Like that. Hi, 17 and 3 likes. Ang damdam ko. Seventeen viewers. Hello po. Robin Phoenix, buka. What is buka? What do you mean? What do you mean by buka? Robin Phoenix. 19 viewers. Hello sa 19 viewers. Shout out.